Thought for the day, Wednesday, August the 28th. Be bearers of hope. Why do we not feel completely happy sometimes? Why do pains, tears, and disappointments blind us? Because we lack hope, which, thinking about it carefully and taking a look, even a quick and panoramic one, at the Gospel, appears as its own style, the confident expectation of the divine promises of which the Gospel itself is the depository. To renew our Christian life, to give it the limpid smile of evangelical children, we now need this virtue, lived with perseverance. The God of hope. This is what St. Paul calls the Lord. Yes, that's precisely how it is. May the true and only God fill you with all joy and peace, the two things that the world lacks, the gift that the Christian must give to it. Chiara Lubich, Spiritual Writings 2, Essentials of Today, New City.
Word of Life for August 2024. Lord, it is good for us to be here.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.